Hello and welcome to Full Course Online. Today, I will show you how to use the Advanced Paste feature in Microsoft PowerToys for Windows 11. Before we start, make sure PowerToys is installed on your computer. Watch this video if you don't know how to install and configure PowerToys. Once installed, open PowerToys from the Start menu or the System tray. In the left panel, click on Advanced Paste and turn it on using the toggle switch at the top. Once Advanced Paste is enabled, the shortcut to use it is Windows key, Shift, and V together. You can change this shortcut if it conflicts with another program. When you press Win plus Shift plus V, a small window appears showing different paste options. You can choose to paste plain text, Markdown, JSON, a file, or even extract text from an image. Let's begin with the most common use, pasting as plain text. Suppose you copy some formatted text from a web page or Word document. When you paste it normally, all the colors and formatting come with it. But if you use Advanced Paste, you can remove all that. Just press Windows plus Shift plus V, choose plain text, and hit Enter. Your text will now be pasted cleanly, without any formatting. This is perfect for when you need neat text in Notepad, email, or a document. Now let's look at another example, pasting as Markdown or JSON. Copy any structured text or HTML snippet from a website. Then open Advanced Paste with Win plus Shift plus V. If you select Markdown, PowerToys will automatically convert headings, links, and lists into proper Markdown format. If you select JSON, it will try to format your text as a valid JSON structure. This is especially useful for developers or technical writers who often work with data or documentation. Another great feature is creating files directly from your clipboard. Let's say you copied some text and want to save it quickly as a file. Open Advanced Paste, choose Paste to .txt file, and a shortcut is created to the file. It instantly creates a text file with your copied content. Double-click to open it. Similarly, if you copy an image, you can use the same feature to save it as a PNG file without ever opening Paint or any other editor. It's a huge time saver for quick notes and screenshots. Next, let's explore OCR, Optical Character Recognition. This feature extracts text from images. For example, if you take a screenshot that contains some written text, copy it, then press Windows plus Shift plus V and select Extract Text from Image. PowerToys will read the image and display the text it finds. You can review it in the preview pane, make any small edits, and then paste it directly into your document. It's incredibly useful for converting screenshots, scan pages, or error messages into editable text. That's how you use the Advanced Paste feature in Microsoft PowerToys. With just a few shortcuts, you can transform the way you copy and paste in Windows 11. It saves time, keeps your work clean, and opens up new creative possibilities. Thank you for watching Full Course Online. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon to get new tutorials as soon as they're released. See you in the next video.